Hi everyone, welcome back to Panchayavans. After a childbirth, woman's body entered to a most sensitive and transformative healing period in her life. In Ayurveda, this stage is called Sutika Paricharya, a complete system designed to rebuild strength, support emotional balance, improve digestion, and rejuvenate the entire body. Today, I'm going to guide you through the Ayurvedic approach to postpartum care. Safe, natural, and deeply nourishing. This is for new mothers, expecting parents, and anyone supporting postpartum mom. Why postpartum care is so important in Ayurveda? According to Ayurveda, delivery drains Vata dosha, the energy responsible for movement, circulation, and the nerve system. After a childbirth, Vata becomes very high, and this can lead to fatigue and low energy, anxiety and emotional sensitivity, poor digestion, constipation, body aches and lower back pain, sleep disturbances, slow recovery. So the entire postpartum care plan is to build reducing Vata and bringing warmth, grounding, nourishment, and emotional stability back to the mother. Ayurveda explains three main postpartum goals. First, rebuild the body and tissues. Second, balance hormones and emotions. Third, restore digestion, immunity, and mental clarity. In this video, I'm going to guide you in 6 steps how you can achieve these 3 goals. Step number 1, Ayurvedic postpartum diet. Warm, nourishing foods are essential because digestion is weak after delivery. Recommended foods: warm rice porridge with ghee, moong dal soup with ginger and cumin, cooked vegetables, warm milk with turmeric, stewed fruits, oats with cinnamon, bone broth or vegetable broth. Ayurveda mentions superfoods for postpartum period: ghee, dates, black sesame, fenugreek, shatavari, and ashwagandha. Let's move into the stage 2. Herbs play a supportive role in postpartum recovery, especially when it comes to nourishment, digestion, strength, and emotional well-being. Ayurveda uses gentle, grounding herbs that help bring stability to the body after delivery. Top Ayurvedic herbs for postpartum care: shatavari, traditionally used to support lactation, hormonal balance, and emotional steadiness. Ashwagandha, known for calming the nerve system and supporting better sleep. Vidari, used in Ayurveda for nourishment and building back the strength. Dashamula, a classical blend of herbs that used to support the postpartum comfort and uterine health. Musta, support digestion and help to regulate the appetite during the early weeks. If you have any questions regarding these herbs and how you can use them, please put those questions to my comment section below. Step number 3, very important stage, Ayurvedic body therapies for postpartum care. As a postpartum mother, you can start your treatment with warm oil Abhyanga. During warm oil massage, helps calm Vata, improve sleep, reduce aches, and support milk production. Best oils: Dhanvantaram Thaila, Shira Bala Thailam, Bala Ashwagandhadi Thailam. Second treatment is Ayurvedic belly binding technique. We call this as Sutika Bandana, a unique technique for postpartum mothers. Sutika Bandana is the traditional Ayurvedic postpartum belly wrapping method used to stabilize the abdomen and give gentle support to the pelvic area after childbirth. It is performed using a long cotton cloth traditionally. Length will be like 8 to 12 meters and the width will be 20 to 30 centimeters. The materials will be soft cotton, muslin, or any breathable natural fabric. The cloth is wrapped around the pelvis and lower abdomen with firm but a comfortable pressure. The wrap should support the abdominal area without restricting breathing. You can start the Sutika Bandana usually after 5 to 7 days after a normal delivery, and after a cesarean section, only when the doctor gives approval, often around 3 to 5 weeks. It is typically worn 6 to 12 hours per day for up to 45 days, which is considered the ideal Ayurvedic postpartum healing period. Third treatment is herbal bath. Warm water infused with neem, turmeric, cumin, or fenugreek to support cleansing and comfort. Step number 4, mental and emotional care. Ayurveda emphasizes emotional well-being equally. Gentle pranayama techniques, warm and a quiet environment, grounding oil on the soles before sleep, soft music, rest without guilt. Step number 5, gentle yoga after 4 to 6 weeks. Only after your doctor's approval, you can start with these safe and easy practices. Cat-cow pose, child pose, supported bridge pose, pelvic tilts, and gentle hip openings. Step number 6. You have to have a clear understanding how Ayurveda explains about your recovery timeline. So let's understand it. First 7 days, warm soups, rest and hydration. First to second week, daily oil massage, belly wrapping and herbal water. 2 to 6 weeks, strengthening foods, gentle yoga and emotional balance. Up to 3 to 6 months, deep recovery, improved stamina and hormonal balance. Ayurveda recommends 42 to 45 of intensive postpartum care. Postpartum is not just about baby's birth, it's about the mother's rebirth. Ayurveda offers a warm, grounding, and a supportive system to help her to rebuild strength, stability, and emotional well-being. If you want more Ayurveda-based healing guidance, recipes, or postpartum tips, make sure to follow my channel. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching.